Midjourney. So downloading image from Midjourney is straightforward, and in this video I'm going to give you a step-to-step guide on how to download image from Midjourney. So let's get started. First, have to do in the Midjourney is to locate in the server, find the image you generate, then look for the specific image in that chart, then click to enlarge. Then from there you can simply right click on the enlarge image, or probably if you don't want to view it small, you can just click on it to view it large. Then right click on the enlarge image, then select save image, which is save as from the menu. Then choose the destination folder on your device and click on save. So once you click on save, the video will once download, then you can use your image from your desired purpose, and that's how to download image from Midjourney. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this. Thank you.